Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify domains on Brevo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Brevo account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Brevo? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type brevo.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Brevo. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to verify domains on Brevo. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile name. So click on that and you have this extended options, which include My Profile, My Plan, Settings, plugins and integrations, senders, domains, and dedicated IPs, SMTP and API, user security, compliance, and carbon footprint. Now go ahead and click on senders, domains, and dedicated IPs, and it's going to take you right into this window where we can now follow through with the step-by-step processes to verify the domain. So this page is loading right up. So back in this window, so senders, domains, dedicated IPs, email overload prevention rule. Go ahead and click on domains. Now from this window, if you have a domain, you're going to see your domain displayed right here. All your domains are going to be organized. If you do not have a domain, go ahead and click on add a domain for you to add a domain here. So let's say you have a domain. You're going to find your domains here. Now for you to verify, right under your domain, you're going to see two options as hyperlinks. You're going to see authenticate and you're going to see delete. So go ahead and click on authenticate. And once you click on authenticate, just follow through with the step-by-step processes in the subsequent windows to verify and authenticate your domain. So this is pretty much how you can verify domain on Brevo. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.